are going to make a quick run to the store because I want to show you guys something I've been doing for a while now that I've never showed you guys, but let's go for a ride. Water. I need this. Cool. 99 cents. And 3. Alright guys, thanks for joining me, and in this video we're going to talk about how I can save you money from not buying these products. Now don't get me wrong, these products are great except for this one. This one used to be good but not no more, and we'll talk about that later or in another video. Now big thanks to Adams for also supporting the channel by sending me products, but you know, even with that said, I still want to help you guys out and save you guys money. Now this by no means is nothing new. This has been going on for a while now in the detailing world. A lot of detailers and mobile detailers use this trick on saving money from using waterless washes and detailing sprays. This stuff right here by Mad Cows, this is probably my favorite quick detailer. I don't know what they put in there, but that stuff is absolutely fantastic. But what I have for you today is Wolfgang Uber Rinseless Wash. If you're not familiar with the Uber Rinseless Wash, I'm telling you, this is some good stuff. This is something I used to use back in the day. I just forgot about it. But this right here, hold on, I'm gonna tell you. I'll be right back. But before I do that, let me tell you, this right here I got for $17.79. I don't know if you can see that right there, but $17.79. And I got 3 gallons of distilled water. Kind of expensive at 99 cents each. So 3 gallons of this. What if I told you, now like I said, detailers have been using this for a long time. This is by no means no secret. For $20, we can make 3 gallons of detail spray and waterless washes. Now these cost about $14 each for one 16-ounce bottle. That's right, $15 on Amazon for these products. But for $20, that's including the price of the distilled water, I can make 3 gallons of detail spray for $20. So it's a no-brainer. So we're talking about 3 ounces of Wolfgang Uber Rinseless Wash per gallon of distilled water. That's what you need to make a nice good detail spray. For a waterless wash, this is actually a great waterless wash. I like this better than Optimum No Rinse, to be honest with you. To me, this one just feels a lot more slick under the microfiber than O&R. O&R is great. You know, if you use O&R, cool. You know, great marketing by O&R. But this one you don't really hear about that much unless you're in the detailing industry. Now, quick background, I used to detail back in the day. That used to be my main job. Not no more, you know, times have changed. So save your money, save your cash. Now this, in my opinion, provides equal, if not better, lubricity than the popular products that you see on the market for $15 a bottle for 16 ounces. I don't know about you, but this is more economical than buying one of these bottles individually. That's just my opinion. So don't take my word for it. I suggest you guys try it for yourself and save the money. Also, if you want to factor in the cost of a spray bottle too, you know, by all means do so. But spray bottles are very cheap. So I got my gallon of distilled water. This one's a little full, so I'm gonna have to dump out some of the water, about 3 or 4 ounces worth, because I'm adding 3 or 4 ounces of water or product. So I only have a 2-ounce measuring cup, but that will do. I'll just measure 2 ounces and then 1 ounce. So yes, this is a chemical. You always want to shake up chemicals. This stuff is highly concentrated, by the way. You can just see how thick that is. Looks like Pepto-Bismol. All right, 3 ounces have been added. Now what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna shake this up. There we go. And there is 1 whole gallon of quick detailer. There you go. I have a bunch more here. Thing I should say, make sure you use distilled water and not just tap water. So this distilled water doesn't have the impurities as tap water does, and it's very important for the performance of your quick detailer or waterless wash to use distilled water. Very, very important. What I'm gonna do now is take one of these old Griot's bottles. I really like the Griot's bottles. I think they have one of the best or top of the line triggers mechanisms on the market right now, and there's still water in there because I just washed it out. But yeah, these are the bottles I really like to use, to be honest with you. So if you have Griot's bottles laying around, highly suggest you use those, or just go to your hardware store and pick up a pair or a set of bottles. You know, if you're not about mixing these products, you just want to save yourself time, by all means, you know, don't just buy it. Buy a bottle for 15 bucks, you know? I mean, it's up to you. I mean, I'm just cheap like that. So there you go. Uber Rinseless Wash. Kind of looks the same as the Adams Detail Spray. Huh? Kind of same color. I don't know if that's gonna focus. Looks the same. Interesting. Spray a little bit on there. Don't want any more swirls than I already have. So what I have here is the Rag, I think it's the Rag Company's Eagle Edgeless Towel. Absolutely amazing towel when you're doing quick detailing. Love this stuff. They're pretty cheap on Amazon. Link in the description below. Nice and slick, I'm telling you. That EcoSmart doesn't hold a candle to this. Nice and slick. And one of the things about the Wolfgang Uber Rinseless Wash, it also has some hydrophobic properties in their quick detailers too. But yeah, there you go. It's not like the car was dirty before, so you're not going to be able to see big before and after differences right now, but it is or was covered in a bunch of pollen, which you probably saw earlier. And there you go, quick tip for you guys today. And I know for you long time detailing veterans, I know this is no secret to you guys. Maybe you guys prefer ONR or some other way to do a rinseless wash. Hey, that is great. But for some of the new guys out there who just bought their car, just now getting into detailing, or who don't have the means to wash their car, a garage, a pressure washer, you name it, live in an apartment complex, or have water restrictions, I get it. I understand. Hopefully you learned something today. And most important part of all, hopefully, this video can help save you guys money in the future. But that is it. Thanks for watching. I appreciate your guys' support, and we'll talk to you guys later. Peace out. Across the